I had to share her with you guys because I have been obsessed, when I tell you obsessed, with this bag for like a year. And when I initially wanted to get it, it was just sold out in this color that I wanted. Look how tiny. I'm so obsessed. I bought this for myself for my birthday this year. I turned 29. I had a whole birthday vlog that I filmed for you guys that never went up because I got a little too drunk and I got embarrassed. So maybe I'll put it up in the future. I don't know. So I did wear this for my birthday 2 months ago, but I never got to do an unboxing and tell you guys all about it. So here we are. Comes in this nice little dust bag. I cannot get over how tiny and beautiful this is. Now, look at how stunning. I cannot get over this. I think they had a few different colors in this guy, but I really wanted the brown because I did not have a brown handbag. It was suede. It has the nice little golden tassel. I love the golden chain. It's just so beautiful. I got so many compliments on this bag when I wore it on my birthday. Everybody was in love with it because it is just so beautiful. It's suede. On my birthday, I told you guys I was drinking and I completely did not realize that there was like a little spot of wine, I think, on the table where I ended up putting my bag. I didn't realize until I lifted my bag and I saw that there was a wet spot. So I did the best that I could to just dab it so that it didn't like mess up the fabric, and you guys can see it's still there a little bit, but it's nothing crazy. I actually have to see if they can clean this or if somebody can clean this for me. I don't want to do it myself. It has the gold hardware YSL. It has the logo on the tassel. I don't know if you guys can see that. The chain is so sturdy. It's so strong. This is not the only chain that it comes with. It actually comes with a crossbody, but it's not a chain. It's more of just like a strap, and I'm not a huge fan of it. That's why I just have it inside its original like packaging, because I'm not a huge fan of it. On one side it's the nice suede, and then the other side it's like a leather, and then it is adjustable, and it also has the gold hardware on the ends of it. So just to show you guys the way that you change this strap out, it has the logo on the gold hardware on the outside. So if you did want to change this out, you literally just have to push that out of there and then take this and put it in the hole. And just for the sake of showing you guys what this looks like with the crossbody strap, and even though I don't like it, somebody else might like it and might want to see what it looks like. This is it. So if you wanted to wear this crossbody, this is what it would look like. Again, it's adjustable up top, but you only get 3 different holes to adjust it. So it is going to be at like your hip length. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the crossbody, so I don't think I ever see myself wearing it that way. This is what the inside of it looks like. So the outside is suede, the inside is like leather. This is how deep it is. It has the logo on the inside as well. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has the logo right here and right here. It has this nice little pocket. Now, just to show you guys what fits into this bag, because this is exactly what I had on my birthday. So I had my wallet, I had my keys. If you hear any noise in the background, like banging or anything, that's my neighbor. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Always makes so much noise when I'm recording my videos. I also had, obviously, my cell phone. This is an iPhone 12. I had a pair of sunglasses, and then I also had lipstick in here. But just to show you everything that it fits, so your wallet, your phone, your keys, your sunglasses, lipstick, it'll all fit fine, and I still have space. And then this is it. It stayed on my shoulders the entire day. I was out at a winery, and it stayed on my shoulders just fine. It's not too heavy, and I think it's just the perfect size for a nice, just small going out bag. I'm definitely going to be using this for like special occasions. I'm not going to be using it for just like every day. I mean, I can, maybe I will. Maybe I will. I don't know. I can definitely see that this is something that I'm going to be keeping in my collection for an incredibly long time. If you're interested in this one and have any other questions, just ask down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer as best as I can in case I missed anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.